So we made it. We're in Yuma. Day and a half on the road, 1,200 plus miles.
Take a slight left turn, then merge onto I-5 south.
You get it done.
Coming into Yuma. And we've been living in the den for 3 straight days now. This is what it actually looks like. We're here at Fisher's Landing in Yuma, Arizona. And the den did exactly what it was supposed to. It made the whole trip easy. And it's made living easy right now too. Come see us, February 7th, 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. You get to take an in-person tour of the den, see what it actually looks like. Ask real questions and get them answered. Hope to see you there.